G'day everyone. So I've been shopping again and I have bought myself one of these. It is a 45-degree angle bit for a screwdriver or a drill, but I'm not going to use it for that. I'm actually going to use this and turn it into an inertia sander. So for this I'm going to need this doover. Yeah. Something to put it in. I'm going to choose an antler. Some pluggers. I'll show you what these are for. And this, which is speed grip converter. This is basically the hook in a hook and loop. So one of the other things I bought as well was some 50mm sanding discs. I bought them off eBay. They were quite cheap. Anyway, that's this week's build. You can go on to the next bit now. Go. Go. Oh, yes, that's me. Alright. Right, we're going to cut this bit off here and we're going to keep it because this is going to be the part that holds the, oh, what do you call it? The discs, sanding discs. Alright, what I'm going to do now is put a couple of nicks in there so when I glue it in, the glue's actually got something to hold on to. There we have it. Right, that's the first bit done. Cut it off there, I think. So yes, this is our handle. Oh look, dinosaur claw. So, drill. I drilled it out. 15mm hole. About that far. Whatever that is. Anyway, fits in there nice and snug. What I'm doing now is just scribing it around there. We grind that out, grind that down to that nice space. out of that area. It should look nice. Let's go do that now. Now we just hold it there for 5 minutes or so, and wasn't me, okay? Okay, by this stage we have our handle and thingy. We have our what do you call it? Our other thingy that holds the sandpaper pads. Like that. Right. Call it the pad holder. So this is it at the moment. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of spongy bit here and then put on the hook for the hook and loop. So spongy bit is our good old thong, pluggers, flip-flops, whatever you want to call them. This is my inertia sander. I will show you all how this works in another video. But for now, I would call this one finished. So everyone, at the end of this build, I have made myself my inertia sander. So it has the antler handle, the 45-degree drill bit, a bit of olive wood, Australian olive wood for those playing at home. I picked that up from my uncle's garden. The piece of rubber, in my case I used a thong, plugger, or flip-flop for the Americans, and I've only used the end of it, but hey, I'll still use that. And then the hook for power sanding. Why I like this power sanding is because it is for things like disc sanders and angle grinders and stuff like that, and so the adhesive is really strong. So yeah, so if you want to go home, go and make one of these, you'll need, again, power sanding, a thong, plugger or some sort of rubber, the 45-degree drill bit, and a handle which you can turn yourself, but I decided to make mine out of antler. So there it is, and I'll show you guys me using this in another video very shortly. This is probably going to be a really handy tool. Oh yes, and I picked up these discs on eBay for about $6 for a pack of a lot, which goes through the different grits: 100, 200, 320, 400, 600, and I think 1,000. Yeah, so I ended up picking up 2 of those. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and all that fun jazz. And I'll see you guys soon.